Hey guys, this is Greg with CADRE. I'm going to do a quick video. I've been receiving a lot of questions on the Staccato CS. Again, I've got close to, between two of them, I've got close to 30,000 rounds. My initial one was a prototype. I had 28,000 rounds through it, and then this one's got about 2,000 rounds. What we're going to do is, a lot of guys, what they're doing is they're breaking it down, right? And then once they're putting it back together, everything goes on fine. And then what they're doing is they're locking it in. Okay. The issue is this barrel, right? Once we get everything in, line that up. The quickest way, make sure the link is this way and put it on upside down. At that point, it'll go straight in. So again, if you got any questions, comment down below. If you can, like, share, subscribe. It'll help us out.